We had a lot of changes being made on the network without any, how can I say, accountability.
We had a lot of change management process, which were standard change management. We want to do the automations.
I know that I needed to find a better network mapping tool. I knew I needed a better automation type tool, something to gather this information and not depend on the old ways of doing network maps, but a better way to do it. And I knew that something like that existed.
When users come in and ask for specific or very detailed data, NetBrain allows you to dig down and to build the parsers to get that information out and to pass it off to the people in a timely manner.
Time is important. I always encourage my team to let's figure out a better way to do what you're doing. And NetBrain complements that very well.
We've been a customer since 2016, and what brought me in originally was that we didn't have any network mapping. And that was one of the features with NetBrain that we were able to utilize and just capture how our layout of our network was. So that was the beginning for us. And then the change management module came in.
And NetBrain was the perfect tool for us to use it. And we have implemented all our core backbone changes through the NetBrain. Now at this point, we have 90% of the change management goes through the NetBrain automation process with the ServiceNow ticketing system.
The ability to reverse engineer configs across multiple vendors, multiple device types, code and hardware. That's part of what my job entails. And that easeability for any company that's interested in being FIPS or CMMC compliant, I see that as being a must-have feature.
We currently are following it. So what we do is we have a golden template for our core backbone switches, routers, firewalls, and we compare it when anybody makes changes. That way it will be easy for all of us and our compliance and security team.
We've been upgrading our network, and so the challenges has been doing the upgrades and making sure that all the configs are consistent among all the devices. And we were actually doing it the hard way, but now with the Golden Engineering Studio, it makes it easier.
Making sure that we're able to see all the wide range of devices, the routers, switches, F5s, and all of those are just difficult if you were to just try to log in at a single one. And NetBrain is great that you're able to just get it from a single pane of glass.
We expand pretty fast, and for us to do all the core backbone changes, it required for us to have an automation. So with the bulk migrations, the NetBrain is a perfect tool for us to make all those changes faster and error-free. It's amazing. We don't have to memorize the command or anything. It just tell and AI bot will pop out.
With the ability of having the Gen AI and natural language when writing and requesting stuff.
AI is the future for us and everybody else.
Our teams sometimes work in silos, and because of this psychology sometimes of the old mentality of being in the CLI, now they can see this feature where they can actually type in what they want naturally and get the output that they want. The guys who have the less experience on the network, they can use it and discover what they need to do to pass it on to the next tier.
I would challenge you to look at all of the capabilities that NetBrain has and really dig into those, whether it be through demo or through the knowledgeable people that I've met so far or coming to the conference, of course.